Like any machine, your BEEVERYCREATIve might require some simple maintenance every now and then. An easy bit of maintenance is to keep your extruder in good condition. Our maintenance kit is just like BEEVERYCREATIve, easy to use. BEEVERYCREATIve should be switched on and connected to a computer running BSoft. You will need access to the extruder unit. First, use the Allen key supplied with BEEVERYCREATIve to remove the top cover. Then remove the handle. Now in BSoft, go to the Maintenance menu and use the Extruder Maintenance function to unload the filament. Unscrew the feeder tube mounting from one side, and you can see the bearing and cog that feed the filament into the hot end and the extruder. Check visually for any small bits of filament residue still on the cog. Be careful, the extruder unit and surrounding components are very hot. From the maintenance kit, get an extra long beading needle. The needle is a sharp object, so handle it with caution. Insert it between the bearing and the cog and push it into the extruder until it comes out of the nozzle. There might be some resistance if the extruder is clogged. After the needle comes out of the nozzle, repeat the same movement at least 3 times. Remember, the components are hot, so proceed with caution. Check if the nozzle is now clear by loading some filament using BSoft. Screw in the feeder tube before loading. If it comes out thick and even, then everything is as it should be. If you're not satisfied with the result, go through the process again. Once you're finished, reassemble the printer by screwing in the feeder tube end, then the handle, and finally the top cover.